Here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn the number one, obvious thing that everyone does wrong. You're going to learn the difference between personal and corporate credit. You're going to learn, even more importantly, a new language and relationship to credit cards and debt. And most importantly, I'm going to share with you how I have helped many students get more than six figures, like over $100,000 in new credit. So here's the number one mistake that everyone makes. They pay their credit cards off usually once or twice during the month. So let's just say you have 4 credit cards, right? And these are, let's just assume they're personal credit cards, is that you pay them off on the 1st or the 15th or whatever day you decide to sit down and pay your bills. And so what happens is that at that exact moment, you are currently out of debt, like officially. Now, the next day you might start spending and using card number 1 and card number 2 and card number 3, but you're out of debt. So let's back up and talk about the financial system.